Let's take a look at how to set cells for data entry before you share a worksheet. This is fantastic if, for example, you're sharing a worksheet with someone else, you want them to fill some data in, but you don't want them to delete these formulas that you've created because that creates more work for you. So the first thing I'm going to do is highlight these cells and make them green so that when the user gets the spreadsheet, they know the green cells are visibly good for them to put the data in. Okay, now our next step. We need to highlight these cells. We're going to right click on these cells and we're going to choose Format Cells. Now from the Format Cells box, we're going to the Protection tab. By default, all cells in a worksheet are locked. Now that doesn't do anything until you protect a worksheet. So what we're going to do is unlock these cells so that when we protect the worksheet, it basically means people will only be able to enter into the cells we've selected. So let's click OK. Okay, so nothing's changed so far. Now we just need to protect the worksheet. So if we go to Review and Protect, we just now put in a simple name for our password. It's really important you don't forget what the password is. Okay, so now our sheet's protected. If I click in the green area and I type in a number, you can see that all my formulas automatically update. But if a user comes down here and tries to alter anything, they get an error message telling them that the sheet's protected and they can't enter any data in. This is a fantastic way for sharing documents with people where you don't want them to be able to undo all your hard work. So how to set cells for data entry before you share the sheet. Now you can go and share the sheet knowing that your formulas are protected.